So normally you would use like for frothing your milk for lattes or macchiato, you actually would use like full cream milk, but the 2% milk is okay, but like full cream milk is better because it has more fats. What you do is you actually try to fill up in the jug. You don't fill it all the way up, but you fill up to kind of like the neck, so you can see where the indentation is. Because otherwise later when you're frothing it, it will actually, like, if you go beyond that, it might actually overflow. When you're frothing your milk, you first heat it up so that it stirs or whatever clog. Froth it first, and then what you do is you put the thing in. You normally try to indent it slightly a bit. You don't put it all the way in. It's like kind of like half an inch. And normally I would use the base of the jug to kind of like just help like set it, and then I'll turn it on. Stop time. See the milk swirling, so that means it's actually good. You don't hear like really rough. Like if you put it all the way in, it's just gonna push a lot of air, and it's not gonna create the microphone. But by doing this, it actually creates the microphone. What you normally do is also you put your palm at the base of the jug, and then you do this until it's hot enough, like it's too hot for your palm or your hands, and then you bring it up. So let's wait for that for a few more seconds. This is kind of like a cheap coffee maker, so the pressure for the steamer is actually not that good. So usually for coffee machines it's a lot faster, but for this one it takes a bit of a while because the pressure is not that. As you can see, it's like swirling around. It's pushing a bit of like the air in and making those microphones. And when it's hot enough for for it to touch the base, like if you try the base and good thing is you probably clean your steamer. Which is, you can see there's like a lot of milk and you might clog if you don't do this. So clean it and then just like just open it just to clean the steamer. So the next thing you do is like you don't normally put the milk right away. You basically kind of like swirl this around until you get that like silky consistency. So as you can see now, it's a lot more silkier after like swirling it. So you swirl it a bit and then do that. And when it's ready, what you do is like you put it all the way up high like this, and then push it down. Do a bit of swirl so it mixes, and then start pushing it and start wiggling, and then cut. And so this is how you do a Rosetta latte.